Hey, we did an update, and I'm gonna show you what cars are available. Let's get this thing rolling.
Got on me because I'm trying to be who I've been all along. It's all my love which I could not forget who I was before this song. Don't walk out on me because I'm trying to be who I...
Like I said, we did an update. I'm gonna point out the cars that are available. That way you know which ones you can call on. If I don't mention a car or I tell you it's not available, keep that in mind. That way you don't have to worry about calling us. You can check it anytime. My main website, it's maplemotors.com. See all of the current inventory. We try to keep that every Monday updated, and we also put sold on the ones that sell throughout the week. I do the same thing on the videos here on YouTube. That's why you see the previous inventory. We do have financing. I do have shipping. I can ship these cars anywhere in the country. And we're gonna get started here. Like I said, I'm gonna be pointing out all the cars that are available. We'll kind of scan through some of them anyways, even though they're sitting here. This one's already sold. We sold it for $37,900. It's a true SS Chevelle there. Pretty cool car. This one here is available. It's a 67 Corvette, $25,900. This one here just went on hold. I believe it's already going to be sold. It was $22,900. It was a 72 model Chevelle. Next in line, this one is available. It's a 1970 GTO. It's not a real Judge. Somebody put the Judge stickers on it, but it is a true GTO for $29,900. Okay. Already sold the 65 Mustang Fastback for $37,900. Right next to that, we do have this available. It's a 1968 Mustang Convertible, and we got $27,900 on it. The next thing that is available is this Z28 Camaro. This one's $15,900. It's a 1981 model with a 4-speed in it and T-tops. I do have test drive and walk around videos of it available. Of course, the Corvette sitting right here, 1966 Vet with side pipes. We got it for $35,900. It's got the custom front end, and it is available. Next up, we got a 1948 Chevrolet. This one here is going to be $17,900. Pretty sweet little car, 4-door. I'll be doing test drive videos of it throughout the week. It's a nice little sedan here. I had a local customer buying this one, but he ended up buying something else from us, so now it's available. I know a lot of y'all called last week. Well, we thought it was sold. It's available. It's a 1979 Trans Am for $25,900, and this car runs and drives great. Test drive video is coming out here soon. I've already done a video. Right behind that, we just picked this one up. The old Camaro's already sold. We sold it. It's already gone. It's a 92 model. Right next to that, we got a 1975 Lincoln. It's a Continental, and it is a big 4-door car for $99,500. Everything else is sold around me, so that's sold. We've got a big stock coming up next Monday, so be sure to check for that video. We'll be putting out at least 10 or 15 cars next Monday. We did throw 5 up today, but we're closing Thursday through Sunday. This one here is next up on the list. It's a 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix, and she's going to be $12,900. Like I said, we will be closed this week, Thursday through Sunday. So if you try to call, you may end up not getting a phone or getting anybody to answer. And please only call about the cars that I'm telling you that are available. Like this 1960 Bel Air 4-door for $15,900, lowered down on a set of Riddlers. Pretty sweet ride, and the test drive videos are up on it. So we got a Charger sitting here, or a Challenger sitting here. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be wrong on that, should have. but I do know it's a 1974 Challenger, and it's 32.9. I have not made the videos on this. I will be decoding the motor, checking everything out, taking her down the road, seeing how she runs and drives, and that'll be coming out probably tomorrow. I plan on doing all that tomorrow. So 1965 Impala sitting here, and it is available, $25,900. Interior is pretty sweet on this one. I wonder if the door's unlocked. No, it's not. You can check out that walk around video. And guys, little history on us. That's Grandpa right there. He started this place a long time ago. We call him Pops here. Everybody does. And he started it about 38 years ago. I've been working here close to 20 years. And like I said, we're all family. It's me, my father, my uncles, and my grandfather. Let's go on in the showroom and check it out. Well, the only one in the showroom that is available at the moment is, well, let me make sure. Yeah, we got a Corvette sitting right here behind it that is available as well. This is a 1955 Cadillac for $42,900. Custom interior, custom dash, custom paint, air ride, lowered on set of wheels, and it will lift up, custom trunk. It's a beautiful car. And I do have videos out of it going down the road, so check it out. And right behind that, this Corvette is available. This is a 1963 model Corvette, and it is $46,900. Okay. The rest of the stuff in here is not available or just sold. Like Pops is taking that one home over there, that Corvette. This is sold as well as this one. And I showed you all of the cars that are available first. You can just kind of see some of the stuff that did pass through here. I absolutely love this one. There was a model that came up today and did some pictures with it. Check her out, Holly Stocks. She's definitely got things going on her page. She's on Instagram, Facebook. I don't think she has a YouTube yet. This thing sold incredibly fast, the 41, old Studebaker. Already out of here. That was a little bit low on the price. All right, that one's already sold as well. So I showed you around. You know what it is available now. If you've seen some stuff in the background, please do not call on it. We don't have information on it because most of them are already sold. I know for sure this next weekend we're gonna buy 20 cars, but it takes us a little bit to get these cars ready and check them all out. So we're only gonna get what we can done, probably about 10 a week, and we'll have them out to you every Monday at maplemotors.com. I'll also keep doing these walkarounds and show you what's available and of course what you can call on and get more information about. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also hit notifications. Every time I post a car, it'll be a test drive or a walk around or one of these lot walks. We also have shipping. We also have financing. And you can get all that at that website along with 100 detailed pictures. And we do update every day pointing out what cars are sold and what is available. I want to thank you for watching. And if you have any more questions, try that website. It has questions and answers too. We keep adding more information to that every time we update. So trying to satisfy everybody out there. I know that's a hard thing to do. I appreciate y'all watching and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please share it and I'll see you next time. Later, guys.
Got on me because I'm trying to be who I've been.